Hi friends, this is Lace a Pumpkin. The color is orange and there's lots of holes with a green string. So you're going to take the end, you're going to put it through and pull all the way through so that the end is flat. Then you're going to go through the next hole and pull all the way through. And when you get to the end, leave a little bit open, stuff something inside. Do you want to put in some old newspaper, paper towel, anything you choose, and you can have a stuffed pumpkin. Before you even get started, you could also do a face if you'd like, or you could just leave it as a pumpkin. If you make a face on it, it becomes a jack-o'-lantern. You decide what you want to do. Have fun, friends. Bye.